I'm good. I get a treat.
Bones are my favourite treat. What is that? That looks good. And we can drive there. It's a beautiful day. In the car, we're driving to a new location. Round and round and round about we go. Arrived. So it looks pretty good. It's got like loads of dirt tracks and kind of things to zip around in. There's some lines up there which don't look the best, so I need to kind of watch out for those. But I'm gonna rip it today. I'm gonna go for some serious freestyle. Gonna practice the juicy flick, which I would tell you what it is, but it's just a trick. Meh. So let's do it.
Big Baba. Oh yeah. Big Baba. Come with the raga sound. Everywhere you go, you hear that dubstep sound. Made in the ghetto, them I love it uptown. Digital DJ with a roughneck sound. And the wow 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 bass, I make them jump up and down. Them I ride BMX, them I flex with the whips. Pimped out rims with the Bridgestone slicks. 28 because them I bust up in the back. And the only thing you hear is a boom boom clap. And them I bubble to the jungle, all the hoodies in the park. With the BB, pink blackberries glow in the dark. Oh, yeah. Blackberries glow in the dark. Oh, yeah. Blackberries glow in the park. We live, we love, we hate, we cry, we rise, we fall, we reach, we try. We live, we love, so feel the rise. Everybody in the house, come on and get high. Bounce and boom, bounce and move. Come on everybody, let's shake this room. Bounce and boom, bounce and move. Come on everybody, let's shake this room. Bounce and boom, bounce and move. Come on everybody, let's shake this room. Bounce and boom, bounce and move. Come on everybody, let's shake that room.
Well, that worked well. I was pretty happy how that went. And I think I managed to do the juicy flick. A bit more practice and I think I'll get it. See you in the next one.